Hello and welcome to this weekend market analysis. Well, in this video I am really not going to be wasting much of your time because there is nothing much to talk about, but we have a few pairs that are still interesting to us that we have been following. Okay, as you probably know, the Russian-Ukraine tension has been slowing down things for a couple of weeks. Well, with that, the market has been really slow. Liquidity is out of the way. Major market movers, major investment traders are sitting on the sideline waiting for clarity before they can begin to trade again. We as retail traders usually find it difficult when the market is not moving. Okay, so without waste of time, let's look into the Forex Factory economical calendar to see those high impact news announcements that are scheduled for this upcoming trading week. We have quite a few of them here, and the heavyweight of all of these is the interest rate announcement that is coming out from the New Zealand dollar axis. All right, this will be released from the New Zealand dollar axis, so you need to give special attention to the interest rate announcement. All right, at any rate, you have to keep all of this on your notepad, especially if you're an intraday trader, because these are high impact news announcements and they can violate any type of setup. All right, looking into the chart, we are going to be doing more of a repeat analysis because in all of the 28 major pairs that we follow, there is nothing much to talk about apart from those Japanese yen pairs that we had looked into last week. And so in the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen, this is the picture that we have. We are anticipating a possible channel formation. All right, and so this level here should act as resistance, and here we are anticipating should act as support. This is an early pattern formation. If it will hold true, we are hoping that price will keep pushing to the downside. Well, for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks, all right, 7 weeks as a whole, price has remained sideways. All right, it has remained sideways. That is, in about 2 months, price has been flat. That has been really difficult for us. But at any rate, we are still believing that the directional bias for this pair is to the downside, and for us, the best course of action is to keep looking for short opportunities. All right, looking into the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. All right, Swiss franc against the Japanese yen, CHF-JPY. All right, here you can see that price has broken a minor trend line. Okay, I hope you can see that clearly. That's the beginning. It's a bounce. All right, price went up, came back, bounced up there, took off again. While we're expecting to see another bounce, it broke to the downside. Okay, and right now it seems we are having a pullback and the retest of that trend line, which is now acting as resistance. Remember, former support, okay, once broken, may now act as resistance. So upon that pullback to retest that level, what are we getting? We are seeing some like a double pin bar. Right, like a double pin bar right there. And if these pin bars are going to hold true, then our next move should of course be to the downside. I expected that next move to the downside as of last week, but that didn't happen, probably because of the loss of market momentum. All right, because with this bounce right there, we expected this candle to push the downside, but that didn't happen. Okay, well, maybe another opportunity for price to go down given these two rejection candles right here. We're not expecting the price for this week should push to the downside, and if that happens, if that holds true again, then we may be seeing a bigger picture. All right, a bigger picture which may now look like this. Let me take out this one. Okay, then which may now look like this. Okay, an expanding triangle, it bounced there, another bounce here, then this is the first bounce. So we are looking at an expanding triangle that price may likely come all the way here. Again, a form of market confusion. Okay, so because if price bounce off that level, just a minute, if price bounce off this level, there is nothing else to hold price. It will come all the way, maybe somewhere around in here as the first support. Okay, if it passes through that level, then we are going to be seeing the second support right there. So at any rate, we are bearish. We will still be searching for short opportunity in the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. Finally, the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen in the weekly time frame. We analyzed this last week. Okay, so we are also expecting that the price is trading at an optimal area of resistance, and from here on we want to see price begin to throw to downside again. With this double level here, we are expecting that to be our support. If price pushes below that support, well, we may come down again. All right, if it doesn't break, it pushes below, we may come down to somewhere around here. Okay, so well, we are bearish across this Japanese yen pairs. Let's see how the market opens, and we hope nothing has happened within the weekend. We are likely going to see some heavy gaps across the charts. Okay, thanks for watching. Like I said, things will definitely get better. All you need right now is patience. I'll talk to you again, hopefully within the week. Bye for now.